Gone. Alright, Shalom. I'm the brother Takwara, and I'm coming back with another lesson through the spirit and power of Yahweh, Bahashem Yahushai, Bahashem Rakakudash. But first and foremost, I want to give all praises, all honor, and glory to Abanawa, Yahweh, Bahashem Yahushai, Bahashem Rakakudash Al Amat. And I also want to give double honors to my teachers, the head apostles and elders of Great Millstone, that do rule and that taught me this truth, men that are worthy of their double honors and peace and salutations to the elect Akim out there that are pushing this word in truth and sincerity throughout the four corners of the earth. Yahweh Bahashem Yahushai Waharaka Kudash Brakatam to all the sincere Akim. God, and I want to do a lesson, you know, and Lord willing, this lesson can be edifying to hopeful elect. And today's lesson is going to be that people, they hate the prophets of Yahweh Shem Yahushai, and that was since in the ancient time, man. People hating the prophets of the Most High Yahweh Shem Yahushai. Why? Because of the truth, because the prophets of the Most High, they always speak the truth, man, you know, and that is why people, they hated the prophets of Yahweh Shem Yahushai because of the truth, you know and that is what I want to show my people according to the Bible, that when you're in this truth, you're going to be hated, man, for Yahweh Bashem Yahushai's sake. So without any further ado, I'm gonna change the language and I'm gonna go right into it. Kan so shalom brother nga sa mina brother takwara ami komba ka nga wani nga krakti nga spirit nga awani fu amoro hiwang isa fato ko dual lesson nga amoro hiwang wani krakti nga gees alles dis kan bo geloof opvoeding aan sa ebriwi isa bitan to do de lesson so so gide aan sa ebriwi je volgt hem want dual les je volgt to mi want dual lesson je volgt to abra ding den dinara fu amoro hiwang sa edu aroko fu amoro hiwang isa fato tak o melibis mata pagronta po o hading zie want die na trudis o mesma o had you je volgt to o mesma o had you te you die na trudis sma no lop you je volgt to omdat sang je dien amoro hiwang in an efesoon ya hou ba shim ya o shai dus the people no lop you isa fato o matrudis o mesma no lop you je volgt to. Je ziet, lek van uno lek dan profeten voor amoro hiwa. O mesma de sano lob uno, o mesma de sa ekos uno sa e tak tegen uno, maar je hou shai serif betaking. Je sa fato tak ala de sanat ook op sana nga uno. Je volgt dan mama tak ude geblest te o mesma je haat uno. So this is Luke chapter 6 verse 22. This is na boek of Lucas hoofdstuk 6. Lucas hoofdstuk 6 vers 22. It says, blessed are ye when men shall hate you. Dus this my haat you, ben je geblest. Isa fato dus amoro bontes mij haat you om a true this. Isa fato omdat je dina true power a true gado ya hawo in an efeson ya hawo shai. Isa fato da libis ma e haat you. Je volgt omdat je dina moro hi want da libis ma e haat you. Masa ya hawo shai taki je bent geblest. Isa fato blessed are ye when men shall hate you and when they shall separate you from their company and shall reproach you and cast out your name as evil for the Son of Man's sake. Je zie, om je hawo shai edemek Salakia. Om Yahweh shai edemek sma o haat you. Om a true this. Isa fato smau separate you. Smau bigitek pratif you. Smau bigitek skating. Den wa moksimo oro na nga you. Omdat i din wa hertrawe. Smau fentak ya. Je ment sekte. I din wa sot sekte groep. Walo sot sani. Ne volgt to. Maar Yahweh shai tak. Je bent geblest. Isa fato. Je zie. Je bent geblest. Je volgt to. Gone. Verse 23. Rejoice ye in that day, and leap for joy. For behold, your reward is great in heaven. For in the like manner did their fathers unto the prophets. Je ziet wana ina uruting. Na so de people be doen nga de profeten fu Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai. They be had them profeten. Isafato. They hated the prophets of the Most High because of the truth. You know? Because of the word of Yahweh Bashem Yahweh Shai. They hated the prophets, man. You know, like they hate us today. You know, but Yahweh Shai said that we are blessed, when people hate you because of this truth. You're blessed. Isa fato, je bent geblest, telebis mij haat je om a trudis, om a woord fu amoro hiwa, omdat je din amoro hiwa. Isa fato, ben je geblest. Isa fato, telebis mij haat je. Zie, teste, omdat je din amoro hiwa, omdat je bekeer. Isa fato, ik got op a right way. Isa fato. Inego na nga no, inego ino ang kerki khobogos don arki pastor ye. Din atrugado ya hawa ba shim ya hawa shy. Isa fato da people no lop so do bigi ko hachu, do bigi fenta ki ya iguin wasot nonsense walo romal ye do. Isa fato do bigi tak walo manner, all manner of evil. Isa fato. Ona dat de people do ti de day. Isa fato tak negatif san abra uno, lik de profite fu amori ma unespa omdat sa. De na persis so de people bedu uktu ina uru ting. Isa fato. Matter of fact, let me get this. This is Amos chapter 5 verse 10. Dit is naar boek of Amos hoofdstuk 5 vers 10. En dat schrijft ja, is afvato. The book of Amos chapter 5 verse 10. And it says, they hate him that rebuketh in the gate, and they abhorred him that speaketh uprightly. And that's why people hate us, man, because of this truth, you know, because we as the prophets of Yahweh Shem Yahushai, we are rebuking them. Why? Because they're wicked. You know, we are rebuking the nation of Israel, the so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native American Indians. We are rebuking you because of your wickedness, man. It's a fato, and that the people no lop so. You see? They hate him that rebuketh in the gate. Rebuke that one tak teo sorwa man tap en fout. Streng yo sorwa man tap en fout. Isa fato dat nasa award rebuke betekent. Isa fato yo sorwa man streng tapa ma fout tak je go off. Isa fato asanja ino mag doing. Je volgt toch? En dat de people no lop de no lop uno. Isa fato tewe tegi om de Hebreeuwse Israëlieten van dat de no mag nya agu. Isa fato het is verboden volgens Gado mag je het niet eten. Isa fato het is onrein voedsel, dus je mag het niet eten. Dat om is mij haat uno. Isa fato smo bigi fan van dat ja sweet meti dat. Isa fato de dat mino mag nya meng so mana you volgt toch. Maar zo is het dat de people haat uno omdat we tegi dingen true en a true altijd a tranga fiere. Isa fato. A tranga fiere. You see? Amos chapter 5 verse 10. They hate him that rebuketh in the gate, and they abhor him that speaketh uprightly. De omesma etek pratif uno. Isa fato de faraf uno omdat we tak rechtvaardig sani. Isa fato we tak rechtvaardigheid. Isa fato. Omesma denk tak we tegen de negatief sani. Maar die stena rechtvaardig na righteous san we tegen den. Maar dingen shelek in gideng dingen shelek na negatief san we tegen den. Na wicked san we tegen den. Die stena righteousness. Isabito. Je volgt? Die stena righteousness we tegen den. Maar ding is shelek wickedness. Je volgt toch? Maar zo is het tak people haat uno. Omdat san ya hou shai betak abra de sansi. Tak te wo prophesy. Te wo go tapa strati. Te wo rebuke them people. Isafato. People haat uno. You see? People haat uno. And alla de san dat we make me te de data pagron tapu. Alla de san dat we make me. Is fato. En zo is het ook profetie en vervul. Je volgt toch? Zo is het ook profetie en vervul. Want je houdt je zelf bij rebuke en volk. Je volgt toch? Je houdt je zelf bij rebuke en volk. Je volgt toch de Hebreeuwse Israëlieten in het een van man. Is fato. En dat make de people no bello man. Je volgt toch? De Hebreeuwse Israëlieten no bello bama omdat hij maar rebuke ding. Hij maar bezorgd de man tap de man fout. Is fato. En dat de man no bello zo. Je ziet? De man no bello zo. Je volgt toch, maar dat na zou je doen ook te unulik den profeten voor je hou Bashem jou shai. Kan. Dit is nou wat ras prisa baka. This is Galatians chapter 4 verse 16. Dit is na boek of Galaten hoofdstuk 4 vers 16. And it says, am I therefore, salakje, kan. Galatians chapter 4 verse 16. Dit is na boek of Galaten hoofdstuk 4 vers 16. And it says, am I therefore become your enemy because I tell you the truth? You see? And that's one like van beta ki a truth tranga fiere omdat the people no one they no one yera true. Isafato they no one sabat true. Te de profita fu amori wan gota pastrati bigi tegi denga true. They no one yere that. And that unu trofeyanti giden people. Isafato. Dus dat make Paulus tagja. Am I therefore become your enemy because I tell you the truth? Dus na omdat mi etegi you a true, dan mi throw you feyanti, no? Isafato. Ome people na so de sheng, no? Omdat we tegi denga righteousness, we tegi denga a true. Isafato. Tag na dena de Hebreeuwse Israëlieten, de zogenaamde Ningerebus kondre na de ingi, we tegi denga true. Lek van jou shai betaki, ye shall know the truth and the truth shall set you free. Isafato, and the truth shall set you free, the truth shall make you free. But they don't want that. You know, we become their enemies because of the truth, man. Isafato. You see? Dus hoe gaan we de dingen rebuskonderen na de ingi, we tron de vijanti, omdat we tegen de righteousness, we tegen de a true. Je volgt toch? Omdat we verkondigen true woord voor amoro hier, want dat people no lop uno. Isa fata uno tron vijanti de libis mata pagron taputi de di. Isa fata ma uno espang, omdat sang, we tan pusha woord voor Yahweh, ba Hashem Yahweh Shai, in rechtvaardigheid. Isa fata dus uno espang. We tan pusha woord voor amoro hier, want wie sma wan haat uno, u de gebless. Isa bita, uno de gebless. Want Yahweh Shai betaking. You see? Hey, so with that, you know, Lord willing, this lesson was edifying to hopefully like, you know, this was just a short lesson. You know, didn't want to make this too long, but hey, like I said, I don't want to it can be edifying. You know, dus nangamore yung wani kracht ng geest les dis bekam bawa geloof opvoeding sa ibribi. We bawa ways u isa fato mi bawa ba ways uno volgens sa Bijbel tak. Hey, wie sma had you, wie sma tak negatief san abra you. Isa fato de kan de if you na wan sa ibribi in Yahweh ba Hashem Yahweh Shai. Isa fato ye bribi enda sma had you oma woord tu omdat je bigi hoor de wette fu amore hiwan no. Isa fato tot de best van je vermogen no je bigi ko hoor de wette. Dat sma had you no spang. Yahweh Shai tak je bent geblessed. Isa fato dus inom hati ede inom broki ede inom spananga dat. In focus moro tap Yahweh ba Hashem Yahweh Shai. In focus tap de libis masade taki. Isa fato. Laten ze maar praten. Isa fato. You must do sayedu. En dat na ta ap geloof in amoro hiwang Yahweh ba Hashem Yahweh Shai. Isa bito. So with that I want to give all praises to Yahweh ba Hashem Yahweh Shai ba Hashem Rakat Kudash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone. And peace and salutations to the elect. Shalom.